struggle with having a regular period? Do you have fertility concerns? Well, let me give you a simple tip that you can do daily. It's Anita Tadavarthi, your acupuncturist friend. I'm gonna give you a diet tip, and I'm also gonna give you an acupressure tip. What you're gonna do for me is you're gonna grab seeds. It can be fennel seeds, sunflower seeds, it can be flax seeds and or pumpkin seeds. And then what I want you to do is take the seeds and put it into a large jar, and I want you to mix it really well. You can add some garlic powder and or masala powder, and I want you to snack on these seeds daily. I want you to snack on at least 2 tablespoons daily. You can snack on some more, and I want you to do that till you get 3 consistent cycles, or it helps you along your fertility journey. Of course, work with the recommendations of your doctor, but these combination of seeds can help sway the odds in your favor. And the reason why is that they stabilize follicles, which can help ovulation. And as the egg gets triggered through the uterus, it can shed the uterine wall, causing a period to happen. In addition to this, I'm going to give you another acupressure tip that you can do easily daily. Again, do this couple minutes, couple times a day. I want you to follow along with me for the next 30 seconds or so. This acupressure point, I have seen wonderful results in clinic. It can help also stimulate ovulation because it represents the fallopian tubes in Chinese medicine. So what you're going to do is either ring finger, you can alternate, and I want you to gently massage in this manner couple minutes, couple times a day till you either A, get the regular cycle, 3 consistent cycles that you're looking for, and or it meets your fertility needs. This is a great acupressure point that can bring blood flow to the fallopian tubes, helping it to release an egg and cause the chain of events for either a regular cycle and or fertilization. Now, of course, again, check in with your physician, and these acupressure point and diet tips can help sway the odds in your favor. Remember, consistency is the name of the game, so do your best to do them consistently till you get the results that you desire. I wish you all the best on your fertility journey and being the best woman that you can be here on the planet. A little tip from your acupuncturist friend, Anita Tadavarthi.